Hey, what's up YouTube? I just wanted to go over a quick video here of my toolbox update. A lot of you know that I bought the OEM tool trays. As you can see, my box is kind of a little mess here. I've got the old tray that I'd made, and then I've got one of the other Lowe's brand, see if I can focus here on this, but a Lowe's brand socket tray. I'm now transferring them to where most all of my tool, my top drawer has the green, other than, the ones back, see if I can't get down in here. The ones down in here, I'm trying to make it all match. Those of you who know me, most of it, I think this is where I'm going to stop at for the tool trays. I've got one blue one red one, but that's not going to matter really too much. Trying to organize it a little better, get everything, metric standard together, so hopefully it will be a little more organized. Sorry, I got the car in there. I've got a new camera pod or whatever you want to call it that rotates and I'm having a hard time with it, so we'll get it figured out. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. Have to go back to the regular handheld. The battery went dead on it, and as you guys seen, you went every which way. But yeah, this is the top tool drawer for right now. Like I said, I'm no organized. Can't even talk this morning. All the sockets, the metrics together, the standards together. I didn't realize how many Torx bits I had. It's just one of them deals. And you organizing your box like that, trying to get everything where you want it and you'll change it 100 times. But just kind of wanted to show you what I was up to this morning. Like I said, the top of my box is a mess, and this is one of them that I made. I had painted, probably put it in one of my other toolboxes once I get these back in the box. Have to find a place for this one, make some room. Hopefully it'll work out. Probably more a little later. Most all the rows now are green, except we have this one here that I got at Lowe's. And I have this one back here that I got at Lowe's also. And then this is my homemade one that I'd painted up. You can see where it's coming loose. There's some a row of sockets I still have to get in the drawer, but I believe I'm going to take this one to work, and then I got to organize this one in there somewhere amongst this mess. But I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of my toolbox and how it's organized, the top drawer. I tried to organize it to where I know where everything is. And here lately, I just kind of thrown stuff around, and the top of my box is kind of a mess, but I'm sure we all have that problem. That's just one of the drawers that's, kind of getting it organized, and just kind of want to do a quick video on what all's here, what all, you can do with your box. You don't have to have a lot of money to organize your box, just a little at a time. This is, over a couple, 2-3 years. These were like $14 or $17 for the OEM ones. The ones down there, I don't know if you can see them, monster ones, I'd like to have them, but I think I give $65 for them 2 rows, so that was back when I had my business, and I had the money I could spend. What I like about them, out of all of them, you can buy the inserts and things and go different sizes, change them around. With the OEM ones, you could do that. I don't know if you could buy the little plastic inserts or not, but you can take them out. There's a little tongue here that you could take them out. And I have some of my sockets to where, like with the small, I go from small to big, to the bigger ones. You can switch them around, but I don't know if they sell them separate. That's what I liked about the Monster ones. You can go ahead. I think a pack of them was like $16. I ordered 2 different packs, 2 different sizes or 3 different sizes. Don't remember. But yeah, it lets you put from small, medium, and large. Your 3/8, your half, your quarter, whatever you want to do. With these, you're kind of limited on. You got to push them around, move them around, whatever. And some of my bigger sockets, like with these, I was having a little trouble. I don't know if y'all have that trouble, but I have a trouble with getting them in there to where you got to spread them out more. But then you get some of them that are like back in here, that this space, the bigger you get, this space is harder to get the bigger sockets in there, to where you can't get, if you've got a full row of these and say it went all the way up to 3/4 or more, you won't get them in that row because of the spacing that you have. Hopefully I explained that right to you guys. But yeah, overall, I just kind of wanted to show you this morning. And just stay tuned to the channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.